Hi guys, good morning. Nandito ako sa rest area ng Kentucky Welcome Center, I-65. Ang naiwan ko sa driving hours, sa 70 hours ko ay 9 hours na lang and 32 minutes. Napaka tight ang schedule ko ngayon kasi from dito papunta ng Toronto is mga 11 hours. Pero ang target ko ngayon ay maitawid ko lang ng Canada. Pang 7th day ko na ngayon, pang last day sa cycle. Bukas gagamitin ko ang recap hours, pero dapat nasa Canada ako para magamit ko yung recap hours ng 8th day. Kasi kung nandito pa ako sa US, 8th day cycle dito, ang recap hours ay sa 9th day pa. I-try ko ng makatawid ng Canada sa Ambassador Bridge sa Windsor mamaya. From here to Windsor is mga 8 hours, kaya napaka-tight. 1 hour lang ang leeway, 1 hour and 32 minutes. Sana walang mga delay along the way, no? Smooth ang daan papunta sa Michigan. So I hope lang na walang delay para ako ay makatawid mamaya, para ang 7 day cycle ang magamit ko. Ito rest area, Kentucky. Kaya may mga kabayo kasi ito yung horse capital ng USA. Walking muna. Ito yung mga ginagawa ko pag before ako aalis. Ako ay mag walking muna para stretching. Yan ang mga truck doon. Ay, napaka long cycle ko ngayon kasi talagang nasagad ko ang 7 days. Mula Toronto ako ay nagpunta ng Kenora, Ontario, doon sa north. Tapos bumalik ako ng Thunder Bay, baba ako ng saan ba yun? Nakalimutan ko na, sa dami-dami nang napuntahan ko. Basta bumaba ako ng pa US, tapos from US nag-pick up ako kahapon doon sa Tennessee. Tennessee pala, Calhoun, Tennessee. Tapos nag-pick up ako sa Jackson, Tennessee. Ngayon naman papunta ako ng balik ng home terminal. Ito maganda yung mga kuan nila, mga picnic table dyan. Ito ang kagandahan ng mga rest area sa Amerika. May lugar talaga sila na pwede kang kumain, picnic, mag dog walk. Sa Canada, sa Ontario lang ang nakikita ko na may rest area, pero yung mga on road, hindi katulad dito na maganda talaga. Maganda ang rest area. Kaya ito ang na-appreciate ko sa America, being a trucker, no? Yung morning. Shout out nga pala kay Brad Joel. Tinuruan niya ako paano yung pag sa ilag, no? Basta may tinuro siya sa akin para yung oras ma-adjust ko para ako ay makatawid ng Amerika, ng Canada pala. Yan ang I-65, Interstate 65. Napunta ako doon. Hi, good morning. Truck number 38224. Yes, sir. I would like to follow up the update, the status of my clearance. I uploaded the documents last night and still I can see it in the app. It's still X-marked. In 4 to 5 hours I will be at the Ambassador Bridge, Windsor border. Thank you. Yes, because I'm almost done with my 70 hours and then I am trying to cross it. It's my 7th day today, and then tomorrow I'll do my recap. So that's why I'm pushing it so I can cross the border. I'll give an hour. If I see still X mark after an hour, I'll call again. Thank you very much, sir. You too, bye.
On the right, to I-264 East, then keep right.
Hello, Costops. Truck number 38224. Yes, I would like to follow up again the status of the clearance. I called like 3 hours ago. I was told that if there's no update in 1 hour, I'll call again. So now it's been 3 hours. I don't see it. It's all cleared? Yes. Yes, ma'am. It's confirmed. I'm good to cross. Oh, thank you very much. Bye.
In 2.5 kilometers, keep left to I-725, then keep left.
Keeping me waiting. All I wanna be been so long, been so long. Why you keeping me waiting?
Keep left to I-725, then keep left. Be in either of the 2 left lanes. Arriving at Pilot Flying J, on the left.
Tubil muna, tubil. 1/4 na lang. Ang border ay 51 minutes na lang.
In 2 kilometers, turn left on Springwell Street.
You have 0 hours and 59 minutes until you exceed the 70-hour on-duty limit, in accordance with the USA Federal Hours of Service Regulations, Section 395.3b.
Woo! Low bridge.
You have 0 hours and 56 minutes until you exceed the 70-hour on-duty limit, in accordance with the USA Federal Hours of Service Regulations, Section 395.3b.
In 2 kilometers, turn left on Grand Boulevard West. Turn left at the traffic light, then take the first right. Turn right on Ambassador Bridge. Turn right on.
A new operating zone has been detected and is pending your acknowledgement for activation.
Border crossing. 46 minutes ang naiwan.
LLIN-01 has less than 60 minutes remaining before they will need to fulfill the 70-hour on-duty requirements, in accordance with Section 26 of the Canadian Federal Hours of Service Regulations.
45 minutes na lang ang naiwan sa 70 hours ko, meaning tapos na ang 70 hours ko sa cycle. Ang gawin ko ay mag-park na ako sa unahan sa Flying J, Tilbury. Doon ako mag-shutdown for the night. Bukas, recap hours na ang gamitin ko kasi nasa Canada na ako. Sa 8th day ay pwede nang magamit ang recap hours. Nandito hours to be gained. Hours to be gained, 12 hours 56 minutes. Yun ang oras ko, on duty hours ko nung Sunday, nung first day ko. Dito sa Canada, 7 day cycle. So 7th day ko ngayon. Bukas 8 day recap na. Kung nasa US ako, na halimbawa nasa US ako ngayon, 8 day cycle ang US, so pang 7 ko pa ngayon. So bukas standby ako kasi ang recap sa 9th day pa ibigay. ACI, hindi na passport ang i-submit ko, ito na yung pass card ko. Ito yung Fast Express, yan o, Fast Express. Instead na passport, yung Canadian passport ko, ito na, palagi ito na. Ay, thank you Lord, tayo ay umabot. Ito yung buhay tracker. Minsan 7 days, minsan more than 7 days, minsan naman less than 7 days. Good evening.
You by yourself?
Yes,
Where do you live?
Toronto.
How long were you gone?
4 days?
Anything to declare?
No, ma'am.
Is there a seal in the back?
Yes, ma'am.
Yours or shipper?
Shipper, ma'am.
How often do you cross?
Every week, and then like 3 times, 4 times a week. Thank you very much. Yes, welcome to Canada.
Hello, IM01 has less than 60 minutes remaining before they will need to fulfill the 70-hour on-duty requirements, in accordance with Section 26 of the Canadian Federal Hours of Service Regulations.
What do you have in the trailer?
Sir,
From where?
from Jackson, Tennessee.
Can you show me your logbook for today?
Sir.
Can I look at it?
Yes, sir.
Can you open the door? Show me the graph for today. Graph?
I'll put on duty first.
Yep.
It's almost done. 25 minutes.
Okay. Is that how much time you have to drive?
Yes, Tilbury. I'll shut down.
20 minutes.
Yes, sir.
No co-driver?
No, sir.
No, okay.
Thank
Okay,
you,
go
sir.
ahead.
Hello, IM01 has less than 30 minutes remaining before they will need to fulfill the 70-hour on-duty requirements, in accordance with Section 26 of the Canadian Federal Hours of Service Regulations.
15 minutes. Last 15 minutes of the 70 hours.
Take exit 56, on the right, to Essex Road 42. heading at Pilot Flying J, on the left.
Guys, pagka-timing, nandito na ako sa Flying J Tilbury at ang oras ko ay 00. Ang 70 hour on duty ko ay 00. Muntik pa akong naubusan, no? Kasi yung pagdaan ko kanina sa scale sa MTO, na-delay pa konti kasi tiningnan pa ng officer ang ilag ko. Tiningnan lang kung may oras pa. Sabi ko sa kanya, 20 minutes na lang ang oras ko. Salamat kay Lord na nakarating tayo dito sa plano ko na hintuan nang hindi ako na-violate ng hours. Ako ay nakatawid. Yung plano ko is dapat makatawid ako para maka-reset na ako bukas. Nakatawid ako. Although may detour doon sa tulay, sa I-75 sirado, pero na-manage natin ang detour. Na-overlook ko nga. May parang exit doon na nandun lahat. Kasi kausap ko si Lloyd, nalampasan ko yon. Buti pala na nalampasan ko kasi yung dinaanan ko walang traffic. Yung dinaanan nila lahat is malamang traffic yon. At kung napadaan ako doon, malamang hindi ako makatawid kasi
In 500
madali.
meters.
Medyo tense konti kasi nga ang oras natin ay talagang hinahabol natin. Ayun, no. Yan, 0. 70 hour on duty, 0 talaga. 0 driving. Ayan, may mga available pa yan pero hindi na yan magmatter kasi ito ang basehan, 70 hours. Ako ay maligo. Grabe kasi alam nyo, pangatlong araw ko ngayon walang ligo. So, yun lang guys. Mamaya palipad ako ng drone. Salamat sa pagpapanood, pagsama sa akin. Keep safe, drive safe, keep on trucking, and see you in my next video. Bye.